If you want to remove SIM card from Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to open the SIM tray, which is located, of course, at the bottom of the phone over here. Here we have the hole inside the SIM tray, and we need to use the SIM eject tool or something similar in order to put it into that hole, and then we need to push it down or forward until the SIM tray pops out a little bit. Then we can use our fingers or fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. Now, these SIM slots are actually quite loose, so there should be no issues at all with removing those SIM cards. Usually you can just tap it on your hand like this and one side should come out. And if you have issues, you can try to gently touch it from the other side so that the SIM tray comes out as well. As you can see, I didn't even use that much power, I just simply touched it with my finger on the other side and the SIM card popped out. And then of course we need to insert the SIM tray back in. So we need to match the hole in order to insert it properly. Push it with your finger so that it is fully in. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!